Welcome to our channel. If you received a SunTrust gift card and need to activate it by phone, follow these simple steps to prepare your card for purchases. Step 1. Locate the SunTrust gift card activation phone number printed on the sticker attached to your card or in the accompanying documentation. This toll-free number is provided specifically for card activation. Step 2. Have your SunTrust gift card ready before making the call. You'll need to provide information from the card, including the complete card number and possibly the CVV security code. Step 3. Using your mobile or landline phone, dial the activation phone number. The call should be toll-free, meaning there's no charge for calling this number. Step 4. Listen to the automated voice prompts carefully. The system will guide you through the activation process and may offer language options at the beginning of the call. Step 5. When prompted, enter your 16-digit SunTrust gift card number using your phone's keypad. Input each digit carefully and wait for the system to confirm receipt of your entry. Step 6. Provide any additional verification information requested by the system, such as the 3-digit CVV code from the back of your card or your zip code for security purposes. Step 7. Listen for confirmation that your SunTrust gift card has been successfully activated. The automated system should provide you with this confirmation and may also state your current card balance. Step 8. Keep the confirmation number or make note of any reference information provided during the call. Test your activated gift card by making a small purchase to ensure it's working properly. Your SunTrust gift card is now ready to use at participating merchants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.